Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about compact crossovers coming out of Russia, the Lada XRay Cross 2026. If you're a fan of bold design, rugged performance, and value-packed features, stay tuned, because this vehicle has a lot to offer. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2026 Lada XRay Cross continues Lada's signature X-shaped front fascia that immediately grabs your attention. With a refreshed front grille and redesigned bumper, the look is both aggressive and modern. The LED daytime running lights now come with a sharper, more angular design, giving the front end a high-tech appearance. The new adaptive LED headlamps not only enhance visibility but also add to the vehicle's overall road presence. The hood features deeper character lines, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. Moving to the sides, you'll notice the bold plastic cladding around the wheel arches and along the lower body. This not only improves the vehicle's rugged crossover appeal but also offers extra protection on rough terrain. The 2026 model now comes with newly designed 17-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional 18-inch variants for those wanting a sportier stance. Ground clearance sits at an impressive 215 mm, making it perfect for tackling uneven roads or even mild off-road adventures. Roof rails add practicality, giving owners the option to carry extra luggage or install adventure gear. Side mirrors now feature integrated turn signals and come with heating and power adjustment as standard. As we head to the rear, the updates continue. The tailgate design is sleeker with a more contoured shape. New LED tail lamps offer a distinctive light signature at night. A redesigned rear bumper with faux skid plates and contrasting black accents further enhance its SUV character. The overall exterior dimensions remain compact, making the XRay Cross easy to maneuver in urban environments while still offering that elevated SUV driving position. Now, let's jump inside. The interior of the Lada XRay Cross 2026 is a major step forward in terms of quality and technology. Soft touch materials now cover key touchpoints like the dashboard and door panels. The seats come with improved cushioning and are available with either fabric or eco-leather upholstery, depending on the trim level. A new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, featuring smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information and customizable display options. When it comes to interior space, the XRay Cross offers generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats come with a 60/40 split-fold function, expanding the already practical cargo space for larger items. Additional convenience features include automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, and multiple USB charging ports. 4 sound nth.